Shania has scores of 76 and 81 on her first two algebra tests. If she wants an average of at least 80 after her third test, what score must she make on her third test? Let's define a variable for our unknown. So we'll let x equal Shania's score on her third test. Shania wants an average score of at least 80 after her third test. Well, her average score will be the sum of her scores, 76 plus 81 plus x, divided by the total number of tests, 3. She wants this average to be greater than or equal to 80. So we set this greater than or equal to 80, and now we have an inequality that we can solve for x. To solve, let's simplify in the numerator by combining like terms. So we add 76 plus 81 is 157. We have 157 plus x all over 3 is greater than or equal to 80. And to begin to solve for x, we'll multiply both sides of this inequality by 3. We have 157 plus x is greater than or equal to 240. And then we subtract 157 from both sides of the inequality to get that x is greater than or equal to 83. Therefore, in order for her average to be greater than or equal to 80, or at least 80, the score on her third test must be at least 83.